By the cars? I think it's my dad.
Isn't he on our team?
The guy that just ran, I thought he was my dad.
Yeah, isn't he on our team?
No.
Oh.
I'm at S1 on the right side of the road.
Okay, hey. Shift back up to Apache because Dustin just made the move that way. He went for the base of Apache, so get over there and kill your dad.
We have Clayton out in the reed.
Copy that, I saw that.
I'm in the slot in the reed.
Copy that. Sorry, buddy.
Dad, I hit you like 8 times.
You all right? I think did I get you in the head? I wasn't trying. Yeah, I think so. Got trigger happy behind S9, rabbiting back into the brush. Just broke up an attack on Apache, killed 2.
Good job.
Go ahead.
Is he on the road, mate? Down the road. You guys say you saw some tangos on the road? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm about parallel with the boat on the right side of the road, so if they come up the road, I got them. Alright, 10-4, I'm moving up the road. I can't draw, man.
We've got several guys in and around the southern parking area, S8, S6. So when they come out of respawn, we should be able to rack up a couple. We just lost a guy by the school bus, so there must be somebody come pushing out of the grotto.
Just banged the guy out on the road.
Dustin and one other coming out of respawn. S13 up on the tracks. We still got a guy up in Fort Apache. Nice. The two coming down the rail path just got killed.
Do we have any of our guys in the southern part of the center town?
I am in the middle of the southern parking lot inside of S6.
I'm by the Blazer by the SAM site. Is there anybody else on the road? I'm on the road now. Roger. Road is clear. I'm over by the boat. Road is clear. I think I'm seeing the same thing.
Copy that, Rich. I see you at the south side of the slot by the blue and white Blazer.
I have no eyes on any tank.
Nor I. I've been sitting here for about 7 or 8 minutes and nothing. I mean, we did get a guy killed over there by the school bus, so there's somebody in and around the grotto, but nobody that's come out. Whoever our Apache guy is, the last two guys you killed, just rolling out again.
There's somebody shooting from a sniper position. Hey, Gil, what's 20?
Dustin is now about 100 feet north of S13, approaching the ramp base of Fort Apache.
Alright, Homer, you're on your own, dude.
Dustin is rabbiting toward Apache. I see Clayton. Clayton is behind the white pickup truck next to the school bus.
Dude, throw a grenade at him.
Not too far away. Yeah, owned him.
God, you so need porta potties out here.
Why?
I have to take a dump, and I so don't want to take a dump out here.
Be quiet. We got enemy. We got enemies behind us. Somebody just got shot from in the middle of town. One of our guys just went down. Somebody from in and around the middle of town. It's 5, buddy. Not that I never count, but it's kind of become like a thing today or something. You're sneaky, man. That's all I got to say. You're very sneaky. You boogie past. You hooked all the way around behind us.
Headhunting for you, and where you were, don't know. Ran into two of your team. Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
5 for 5 for the win.
Hey, there's still time. You know, I died just like everybody else.
Car coming down the road. Maybe not.
I have killed the enemy that got into our backfield, shifting over to the road for ice.
Hey, Big Joe, you out of play or just...
Over by S1 on the road.
Dad, move up on the road. I'm getting pinned down up here.
Where are you? Are you taking fire from the sniper position?
That little red pallet thing that you have that goes from the road to the bus.
Copy that.
Somewhere in that area.
Red pallet thing? Are you sure? Rich did.
He was like right there, 3 seconds ago.
Well, there's nobody there now, dude. Shift up, get behind the next car. Nice, very nice. Cool, I so needed a water.
Some of your guy on the road had me bunker down. I had to like crawl for like 10 minutes to get over here. Fuck you.